Hello, welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 fitting the fans. This is episode 38 in my series of videos detailing how I change my cam chains, tensioners and guides. And in this video I'm going to explain how to fit your fans in detail, how the mounting points work, and more importantly how to get your hands into the top bolts because it's extremely tight. Okay, first of all, the tools. What you're going to need is an M10 spanner, that's it, and a tie wrap for a bit of tidying up the loom. Okay, so the details. So the fan assembly is mounted in 5 points. In the middle there's a hook. The handle actually hooks over the radiator at the top. There's 2 slots which bolts mount the top of the fan assembly in, and there's 2 tabs which the fan assembly drops into slots. So, first of all, the lower mounting tab. The fan assembly has a tab sticking out the side, and the radiator has a slot at each side that tab slides into. So basically as simple as that at the bottom mounting. There's no bolts, no nuts, just slides into a slot. The top actually has a bolt. There's actually this bolt here with a square back that is pushed into a slot. Here you can see this is actually the fan sitting in front. Apologies for that. Behind there is a slot here which is the dotted line. Now the bolt slides in behind there and comes through both slots. Lastly, the fan assembly itself has a big hook on the handle, and that actually hooks over a ridge on the radiator, and that's the 5 points. So looking down, you can see these are the actual slots. This is the details of the slot. This is left hand side as viewed from the front, and this is the right hand side as viewed from the front, so apologies, a bit blurred. So literally all you have to do is slide the fan assembly down in between the engine and the radiator, trying to engage on those slots at the bottom. The biggest issue is all the pipes that are in the way at the sides, all strategically put in the way, unfortunately. But you can get it in eventually with a lot of wiggling. Okay, so you'll see that once you've located it into the bottom slots, the top will look something like this. This is the left-hand side bolt location. And what you have to do, you have to pull the fan pack away, get your hand in between, and you can literally pull the bolt into the slot from that position. Then on the other side, the right-hand side is looking from the driver's side. You pull the fan assembly forward, but this time you can't get your hand between because it's fouling the upper hose. You can actually get your hand right round the back underneath the hose and and push the bolt in that way. Okay, finally you lift and hook the top. Here's the little cutout on the top of the radiator where you can lift and hook the top on. Okay, so this is a bit of a video of putting it together. So here, literally just lift it. You can see lift and hooks, just as easy as that. And just to make sure the bolt's still in position. Yep, no problem. Now you can get the nut on. You actually can tighten them up by hand. Obviously, it doesn't spin. The bolt doesn't spin because it's located in the slot. They spin very easily by hand. That's the left-hand side nut. There you go. And the right hand side, very similar. Again, you can get your hand just about in there. Don't drop the nuts. Yeah, you've got a chance of losing them somewhere in the side of the engine compartment. There you go, hand tight. They're almost, all you have to do is tighten them up with an M10 spanner. It takes about half to quarter of a turn to tighten them up, and they're good to go. And there's the right hand side, all tightened up. Now, once you've got the actual fan assembly bolted up, there's several connections you have to make. There's one at the bottom for the Aircon pipe. There's an Aircon pipe clip at the bottom there. Obviously, the 2 fan electrical connectors, and you need to tie wrap part of the wiring loom onto here, which there's a sensor drops down to the air conditioning sensor. This is the clip with the pipe, Aircon pipe. This is the Aircon sensor in the middle of the car. Here you can see this is the wiring loom running from the left, as you see from the front, across to the middle, and you need to tie wrap it here to stop it flapping around. And there's the connection going to the left hand side fan. You can see there, you basically just push it on. If you want to get it off, you have to depress this catch here, and the same on the left hand fan. And there you go, the fan assembly all assembled. Simple as that. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you found that informative and full of detail. If you like it, please share, comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.